Okay, today I wanna interview my son because my son he's the owner of this animal zoo.
And right here,
Just tell me everything, whatever you want to tell daddy.
I got all the animals that I have to clean up.
Okay.
This is my truck.
Okay.
The truck, I have all the animals.
Wow.
No spots.
Wow.
I got no spots, only one spot.
And what else do you get here?
I got all the animals. I got orange cow. I got all the
Oh,
animals.
old cow. Wow.
Oh, this orange cow I got a lot of animals.
Is that your zoo?
Yes, it's a zoo farm.
Oh, perfect. And do you have any rabbits here?
No rabbit.
Oh, I thought you have a rabbit.
We need like this.
No,
Rabbit.
I see somewhere your rabbit. Someone can show me. Right.
Yo, right here.
Oh, right there. You see? How many rabbits here? Two.
I got
What big?
2 rabbits and I got 1 dog.
Oh, what is that?
Monster trucks.
Monster truck day.
Monster trucks and motorcycle.
Wow.
And it got a star on it.
So
It got a star on it.
how much you spend for these animals? A lot.
$10,000.
10,000. Oh my god. Dude, you got a lot of money, my son.
Yeah, look what I got. I got a star on my motorcycle.
Wow. The star you.
And red and blue.
What? Oh wow.
And I got all animals that have no ark. I got no ark. I got this. It's a wagon.
Okay. Thank you for showing me your Zoom and welcoming to your Zoom. Thank
And
you.
I got food for the animals under right here.
Oh, under us there.
Yes, see, it's behind.
It's kind of dark, my son.
Yeah.
I cannot.
And I got a rock with my name on it.
Wow, you got some rock too.
And I got some balls.
And you got a lyre too. Wow.
And I got my name.
Oh, is that your name?
Yeah.
Victor?
Yeah.
Hey, you got a beautiful name, man.
Look, and look, I got the ball.
What is that?
It's a ball. That means you put the ball right here, move right. The ball move right here, turn right here. Fall, and it can go right here.
Oh, okay, okay. That's cool.
And I got Chase.
Yeah, tell me everything. Tell me everything,
And I
yeah?
got Chase, Sky, and Marshall.
Oh, you got a Martian
I got Marshall,
and there.
Chase,
James.
Sky.
Sky, okay.
Yeah, and
Perfect.
I got Pikachu under right here.
What is that?
It's Pikachu.
Oh, Pikachu, okay.
Pikachu is the yellow rabbit.
And I see something over there. Can you tell me more about that?
It's a shopper.
Shopper?
Yeah. I keep my flag right here because America flag is for this.
Where's the America flag? I want to see the America flag
But
so much.
It's broken.
Oh, someone broke it?
Yeah, it's broke by excavator. Because the excavator, I let it fall and the flag broke.
Okay, we can get a new one anytime.
Okay, I found in Lulu cousin house.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You can get one there.
Okay, I already but they have only one and I see no more. I got only one America flag and I see no more flags.
Okay, we can shop. We can go to the store and we can get more for the Walmart,
Walmart,
Target, or somewhere.
or Dollar Tree.
Oh, they have a Dollar Tree too?
Oh man, I forgot the big one. And the big one is I'm the big one and the big America flag on the basement.
Oh, okay.
And we're gonna get 2 America flags in the garage and the basement.
Great, great. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you next time, my son.
And we'll hang the deer neck and we'll hang the deer head in the garage.
Oh, I remember that.
Yeah.
It's Grandpa.
Yeah, Grandpa gonna get it for me.
Oh, okay.
Like I could got too many.
Oh, Eku got too many.
Yeah.
But Eku, what? I don't know why Eku didn't give you one.
Because I could only keep it.
He's supposed to give you one, my son. Okay, maybe summertime we can go there.
Gonna give me it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, we see you next time. Pig, cow, horse, and zebra, and donkey,
And I got
tiger. We see you next time. Okay, bye bye. Alligator, giraffe,
fox,
dogs, rabbit,
ball,
mouse,
ball
everything.
maker, and I got Pikachu zoo case.
Wow.
Pikachu's in my yellow rabbit. And bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.